Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided I would film a Q&A for you guys. I am feeling a little bit under the weather, but I can't really explain it. Like, I'm not sick, but my left eye is killing me and I'm like not wanting to put any makeup on it because it's got like a little bit of redness and puffiness in there and I don't want to irritate it anymore. So I did a little bit of eyebrows and glowy and whatnot to kind of make up for that, but I really wanted to film because it's Friday and it's the day I'm supposed to put up, so I'm filming on Friday and uploading on Friday. So it's kind of a big deal for me because it's a lot of work, but I decided I would film a Q&A today and just make things a little bit easier on me. I haven't filmed a Q&A, I don't think, like ever, and it's probably my most highly requested video to film on my channel, and I feel really bad because I have 5,000 subscribers and I thought by now they kind of knew me, but I guess not. They just know like things that I love beauty related, and they know I have a kid and they know I have a husband. So I feel like right now I'm just gonna answer a whole bunch of questions about myself so you guys can kind of get to know me a little bit more. This is gonna be really cash. My son is sleeping currently and he should be up any minute, so this is gonna be very casual, but I decided I would totally get up a video today, even if I'm embarrassed about my eye. So I've got a whole bunch of questions on here that I'm gonna just start answering. So if you guys want to get to know me a little bit more by doing this little Q&A, then let's just jump right into it. Okay guys, so I couldn't decide on all the questions I wanted to do. I'm just gonna kind of go until I feel like I don't really want to go anymore on the questions. But I'm just gonna answer a whole bunch of questions and maybe you guys can get to know me a little more. So number one, what is your full name? Wow. My full name is Sarah Elizabeth Peterson Pope. So my maiden name is Peterson and now my last name is Pope. So Sarah Elizabeth Peterson Pope, but I go by Sarah Pope. Are you named after anyone? No, not that I know of. Where am I from? I am from Utah. Where do I live? Y'all know this. I live in Tucson, Arizona currently, but I'm gonna be moving very shortly and I'm excited for that adventure, but I live in Arizona right now and I hate it here. Anybody who lives here, I'm sorry that you live here. Where was I born? Logan, Utah. What is my favorite food? Okay guys, so no judgment here, but my favorite food is sushi. I probably could eat sushi every day for the rest of my life, but if I like had to have food with my whole family, I'd probably choose like Mexican food because I love Mexican food. It's so good. What is my favorite holiday? Probably Christmas, but I like Thanksgiving too. But I don't know. I can't decide on that one. Favorite snack. Guys, I'm not picky with snacks, but I love Flaming Hot Cheetos and they are so dang good. Like, I could eat those every day. Favorite sport. Tennis. I love tennis, guys. I used to play tennis in high school and I loved it. I loved it so much and I still love it. And I haven't played it in so long. Are you a dog person or a cat person? I am totally a dog person, but I am very open to being a cat person. I'm just super allergic to basically everything. I will post a picture right here of my back. This was my allergy testing that I had done and I'm basically allergic to like everything, even my dog, but I've got really bad allergies, so it's not very fun. What is at the top of my bucket list? Probably visiting like Italy or Germany or just somewhere beautiful like that, like England, Ireland, Switzerland, something like that. What is something you look for in a partner? I'm married, and what I looked for in him and what I still look for in him is communication. I feel like communication is like the number one thing to keep a relationship super strong. That's in my opinion. I just feel like if you don't have communication, then what's the point? Honestly, you're bottling things up and they're not supposed to be bottled up. What is the last book you read? So I'm not a crazy reader, but I just barely got Audible because everybody on YouTube's like, get Audible, get Audible. But I'm reading this book right here. It's called Without Merit, and I really like it. It's by Colleen Hoover. I am really into it. It says I have 8 hours and 39 minutes remaining, but it's pretty good so far. I think it's like a romance, but I don't really know. Like I said, I'm not a crazy book reader, so I decided I would try out listening instead of reading myself. What is my eye color? I have like green hazel eyes. So yeah, Hudson has blue, so he definitely did not get my eyes. He got quartz eyes and my eye is hurting so badly. What's my favorite music genre? I like country and rap. Isn't that so weird? But I like everything. I'm like not picky. I like acoustic. I love jazz. I love rock. I love screamo. I love everything. I'm just like not picky at all. Do you have allergies? Yeah, I have a lot of allergies. I'm allergic to like everything. Do you prefer kissing or cuddling? Both. Can I do both at the same time? I can't choose between that. What was your first job? Babysitting. What is the furthest you've been away from home? Alaska. Lived there for like 3.5 years and I absolutely loved it. It was like my favorite place ever. When was the last time you cried? Last night. I cry all the time, guys. I'm like such a baby. I cry about everything and I've got so much anxiety. My eye is hurting. Oh my hand. Who has left the most impact on my life? I would definitely have to say my baby boy. Shout out to him, Hudson Blaine. I love you so much. He's seriously, man, once you become a parent, it changes you so much. What is the first app I check when I wake up in the morning? Facebook. Facebook's always my #1, or if I can see like I have a notification in one, I usually open that. Sometimes it's Pinterest, honestly. I'm like not that popular, so I usually just check and stalk people on everything. What are my hobbies? Sitting in pajamas and watching Netflix and doing nothing and eating food and going on walks. And guys, I am so boring. Like, I don't do anything. I like to lay out. I love to lay out and get some sun. Obviously, I'm not that tan right now, but that's pretty much it. I like to hang out with my baby. We take him on a lot of walks, go to the park. Doing makeup is obviously like a gigantic hobby of mine. Filming. I don't really have very many hobbies. I'm really boring. I like to sing. I like to dance. I'm stupid. I'm not good at dancing. I'm like horrible at dancing. I like to go on hikes. I like to ski. I like to go boating. I like to do crafts. I like to draw. Oh, I love drawing. I did graphics design, but I only lasted 1 semester because I was preggo and the school kind of screwed me over, so I didn't finish that. What do I do for a living? I'm a mother and I do YouTube. That's pretty much what I do. That's the only thing. What's my favorite nickname? Is Babe. I love being called Babe by Court. I love it. It's so cute. What is your favorite color? Probably black. I'm so boring. Black or white? What's my best physical feature? Probably have to say my lips or my eyes. So that's that. Definitely not my bod. What's my favorite drink? These are like so scattered everywhere. My favorite drink is Coca-Cola. Y'all already know. What is my favorite childhood memory? Playing Barbie dolls. Because guys, I played Barbies until I pretty much started dating Courtney. Like I was kissing boys and I was still playing Barbies. That's like a really bad problem. Like that's how bad I played. I loved Barbies so much. So bad. Seriously, I need a girl in my life, then I could just play Barbies all over again. What's my favorite movie? Probably, well, it used to be A Walk to Remember. I don't really know now. I'm not a very harsh movie critic, and I love every movie. I don't know what movie is my favorite. I can't really like say which movie is my favorite. Okay guys, I think that's enough. I went through a whole bunch of questions. I just answered a whole bunch of random ones. My eye's hurting, so I decided I'm just gonna end the video right here. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if I missed any questions, if you guys wanna know more about me, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.